In this video, Ethereum is currently in a very big uptrend, and right now we are going to dive in and talk about with what's next for Ethereum. At the same time, we're also going to give you a quick update regarding the Bitcoin price action. And on top of that, I also want to discuss to you guys regarding dual asset, this new product na ino-offer ni Bybit, especially if you are a long-term investor. And if let's say you want to invest for the long term, you can actually check out this price pool na ipapakita ko din sa inyo. Well, stay tuned to know more. So hi guys, and welcome back to another Gabs cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out videos like this. So before we start our technical analysis, may gusto muna akong pag-usapan na bagong offerings ni Bybit, and this is specifically for investors na nag-aabang ng mga pwedeng nilang pag-investan and short-term movement lang naman siya. If let's say we are in a consolidation, at least yung pera nyo pa rin is gumagalaw kahit hindi nyo siya kinakalikot. And that is actually one of the big offering na ino-offer ngayon ni Bybit structured products. And of course, if you're also going to join this product din na ino-offer ni Bybit, you are also entitled to win of up to 0.1 Bitcoin airdrop or roughly around 1 Ethereum airdrop. And that's equivalent around, maybe pwede kayo makakuha na around $80,000 of price pool dito with Bybit. So let's talk about first itong dual asset na to, or actually yung structured products. Dual asset is one of the products na in-offer ni Bybit. So itong structured products ni Bybit, it's actually a very good investment if let's say you want to maximize yung mga pump and dump movement. So let's give you an example scenario. So if let's say yung crypto natin is ganito lang, on a sideways action, of course, ang hirap naman na i-monitor yan palagi, di ba? Na if let's say, aabangan nyo si Ethereum bumagsak ng $2,800 para i-monitor, tapos i-monitor nyo siya every day. Of course, ang hirap i-check nun. You can actually just check if we are in a consolidation. Tapos if let's say we are in a consolidation, then of course, this asset or this product na ino-offer ni Bybit is actually a very good product for you kasi itong product na isa na in-offer nila, which is number one of the biggest products nila, which is the dual asset. Itong dual asset na to allows you to invest Bitcoin na, not only Bitcoin but as well as other crypto like Ethereum. So if let's say bumababa si Ethereum around dito, let's say bumagsak siya dito, pwede kayong maghanap ng potential entry dito by checking dual asset dito. So if you're going to open the dual asset page upon opening the Bybit structured products, so you can actually see kung ano yung pwede nyong tingnan na crypto dito. So for example, kay Ethereum, yung sinesearch natin, search for Ethereum, you can actually find all of the different areas na pwede nyong i-re-entry. So if let's say you want to re-enter ngayon kay Ethereum dito, problema kasi diba medyo tumaas na siya, but at the same time nahihirapan kayong alamin kung aling area kayo dito mag-re-enter, so either 3,600 or 3,500 or 3,400, you can check out itong ino-offer ni dual asset na pwede nyong i-enter na price range. So as you can see, pwede kayong mag-check around $3,700, tapos ano yung potential return nyo doon by entering this specific entry price, as well as for other products dito, you can actually check all of those different entry price dito kay Ethereum by actually just checking dual asset. So if let's say gusto nyo maghanap ng pwede nyong re-entry, you can actually use dual asset. And ang maganda dito is you can actually check an amount na pwede nyo re-enter dito by looking at the different product plan dito sa dual asset. So yun yung whenever na you are going to buy and if you want to re-enter. Pero if let's say you want to take profits and let's say meron ka ng crypto pero hindi ka sure kung anong point mo siya ibebenta, you can actually check out din itong dual asset sell high na plan nila. So if let's say gusto mong magbenta ng Ethereum, if let's say umabot siya ng $3,753, then you can actually bet on that and just you can actually just select this plan and then ito yung pwede nyo makuha potential returns dito kay crypto na yan. So take note, this investment na to, if let's say you are a newbie trader, I highly suggest na you stick to spot wallet. But if let's say you want to check different products ni Bybit na pwede nyo i-maximize yung inyong potential profits, you can actually check out this product plan na ino-offer ni Bybit, which is dual asset. And you can find this by checking out this Bybit structured product link na you can find in the description down below. Then just register lang dito. Then once nakapag-register kayo, just sign up with our sign up link na you can find then in the description down below. Register, then deposit. And mag-purchase lang kayo ng any of those structured products. So to select structured products, just go in this page and then just click make a purchase. So you can actually go dito sa page na yan ng Bybit structured products. Then for dual asset, just click dual asset and it will take you to this page na nakalagay na dyan yung inyong pwedeng bilhin na crypto. You can just select any tokens na you like. For me, gusto ko either Bitcoin or Ethereum. And then you can actually see yung inyong pwedeng entry level dito kay Bitcoin or exit level dito kay Bitcoin. And once na nakapag-sign up kayo doon and let's say nakapag-sign up kayo sa ating sign up link, nakapag-register na kayo, nakapag-deposit and purchase na kayo ng structured products nyo, then you can actually redeem this price pool na up to 0.1 Bitcoin dito na airdrop. So, sorry, medyo naubo ko, but yeah, yun yung pwede nyong makita dito, yun yung pwede nyong gawin dito. And not only dual asset, meron din sila actually iba't iba pang products like Double Win, Discount Buy, and Smart Leverage. But for me, I highly suggest na dual asset yung i-check nyo kasi for me, yun yung pinakang low risk when it comes to this different structured products na meron dito. So yeah, if you want to start checking that one out, you can actually check that one out in the description down below. And take note guys, meron din tayo actually na $10,000 na prize pool if let's say you're going to use Bybit Earn. So you can actually just register dito sa Bybit Earn page. Just click this link na you can find in the description down below. Then just click register now. And of course, you can actually just invest certain amount lang na dun sa Bybit Earn nyo. It's like a stake. Parang nag-stake kayo dyan. So if let's say kung ano magkano yung nakuha nyo, then of course, yun yung pwedeng, or if let's say magkano yung pinasok nyo pera, then of course, yun yung pwede nyo makuha ang reward. So if let's say, mas the higher the price na pinapasok nyo na, or the higher the money na pinapasok nyo, of course, mas malaki yung pwede nyo makuha ang reward. So to register for this one, just check out this link guys in the description down below. So yeah, medyo maraming update lang dun regarding sa products na ina-offer ni Bybit. Now let's now dive into this video sa analysis naman natin, and let's talk about the latest price action. So first things first, let's talk about Bitcoin muna and kung ano yung minomonitor natin previously. And iba ang minomonitor natin previously was this weekly time frame na bullish cross sa ating stochastic RSI. So ayun no. As you can see, we saw a stochastic RSI cross. So in that case, we are expecting bullish movements dito kay Bitcoin within the next few weeks. And as you can see right now, if you're going to look at this in the weekly time frame, it's actually looking good. But if you are going to monitor this in the shorter time frames like daily and let's say 4-hour time frame, if you're going to look at the 4-hour, not much to talk about. Wala tayong bearish divergence na nag-form dito sa 4-hour time frame. So I think that we are just going to continue this uptrend. And take a look at this guys, diba previously lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high. May trend tayo na lower high. So diba sabi natin, in order for us to see a reversal, you must break the trend na lower high. At dapat yung next niya is hindi na lower high. But as you can see, what happened is, after this lower high, we finally have a higher high and another higher high. And as you can see, yung mga lows natin is packet ng packet. So this is actually a good sign na we are now finally seeing an uptrend dito kay Bitcoin. And we can actually just continue this uptrend dito in the next within the next few days and next few weeks. Ang kailangan lang talaga mangyari is magkaroon lang tayo ng higher highs and higher lows dito within the next few days kay Bitcoin price action. So that is what we are currently seeing with Bitcoin. Now let's talk about Ethereum. I think we haven't talked about Ethereum that much dito. But as you can see kay Ethereum sa ating weekly stochastic RSI, you can actually see na meron din tayong bullish cross sa Ethereum. So right now, we are currently playing that bullish cross dito kay Ethereum. And right now, what is next dito kay Ethereum? So let's try to understand kung ano ba yung next movement dito. So if you're going to open our MA chart, let's try to look at this Ethereum chart. And ano ba yung nangyari dito kay Ethereum? So as you can see, if you are, or actually, let's try to clear the, yung mga nakalagay dito na drawings. But as you can see, ito kay Ethereum, you can see na we have this support area dito. And then we also have a resistance. So as you can see, Ethereum is right now at a very big falling wedge. And ang more likely target niyan is going to be the top of the wedge. So as you can see, this has been running since March 5, 2024. So we are actually breaking out from this very big move dito kay Ethereum. And ang target price yan is the $4,115 US dollars. So that is what we are currently monitoring to Ethereum. And if you're going to look back much further pa, let's try to look at this in the daily time frame. You can see na Ethereum is right now inching closer and closer to the all-time high. So I think we might see Ethereum go back to the all-time high. It's just a matter of when lang. And yeah, right now, 'di ba, somewhat nagsell ako ng Ethereum months ago nung bumagsak siya, but right now nag-re-entry ako around the 3,000 US dollars. Right now, I'm expecting Ethereum to go back to the all-time high. So anyway, yun lang muna yung update natin for the time being. We are looking good with the whole crypto market. I think we can see Bitcoin go higher in the next few days. Of course, magkakaroon siya ng somewhat of a small dip, but those small dips are very important kasi yun yung magdedetermine if magkakaroon tayo ng higher low kay Bitcoin. So right now, yun yung pwede natin i-monitor. If you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye for now.